What is going on, guys, and welcome to another unboxing video here on my channel. Today I have the iPhone 11 Pro. It's the 64 gigabytes version, and I would say let's leave this here for now and we will get right into it after the intro. So, for those of you who are following my channel or you are a subscriber of my channel, you probably noticed that I've already done an unboxing of the iPhone 11, and initially I wanted to switch from my iPhone 10 to the iPhone 11, but to be honest, there were some reasons I didn't do that. The main reason was the size. The second reason was the display. So for me, if you're used to an OLED display, it's pretty hard going back. And the last reason was the bezels. If you're used to smaller bezels, then I think there's no going back, and that's why I'm with the Pro now. I returned my iPhone 11 to the Apple shop, thanks to Apple that this works so uncomplicated. And I would say let's start and let's unpack this little thing here. So remove the plastic, put it aside, and now lift the carton, and there we have it. So it's the space gray version. I've always been a space gray fan. I was struggling to get the midnight green or the space gray, but I decided on going with the space gray. We'll put this aside for now. We'll have a little look what's inside. Yeah, the usual quick start guides and all that stuff, the Apple stickers. I don't think we need to explain this any further. It's always the same. So let's put this aside. We have our quick charger. Finally, it's a USB-C to Lightning. Again, the European version for me. And we have our earpods, the classic ones with Lightning. Don't think they need any further explanation. And we have our cable. That's a micro USB to Lightning now. So I will leave this in the box for now as well and put this aside. And let's get the star of the show. Let's get the iPhone. So here it is, the iPhone in space black. Let's remove that as well. It's only on the front now. Yeah, on the front we already know that everything's the same, kind of. Like on the back you see this triple lens camera. I like the color, and it doesn't look that different to the midnight green. It's a blackish gray, I would say. Yeah, we have the stainless steel frame, volume up, volume down, silence button, mute switch, and we have the power and lock key here. Yeah, and the lightning connector and the speakers. So I would say I power it up now, and I will be right back with you once the setup process is done. Alright, the update is done on the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the iPhone 10 on the right side, and you can see both devices are running on the same backup now. And maybe one thing you can notice, I don't know how good this is visible in the video, is that the screen of the 11 Pro is a bit brighter. It has a bit brighter colors. The white is a bit more intense. I tried to show you in the settings as well. Both are on maximum brightness here. So yeah, I think the white of the 11 Pro is a bit more intense. And I would say I go into the menu now. So I'm in the settings now, and you can see, maybe you can see that on the video. I don't know how good this is visible in the video, but the 11 Pro is way brighter than the iPhone 10. I really don't know how good this comes across in the video later on, but yeah, it is like that. Maybe I'll show you in the YouTube app real quick. Maybe you can see it there. The colors are definitely more intense on the 11 Pro than on the iPhone 10. So yeah, I'm in the YouTube app here right now. And going back to the settings, maybe we can have a look into the dark mode as well, but I don't think you will see much difference there. So let's go into the dark mode on both devices. Well, I don't think you see a lot of difference in the dark mode. I mean, the colors look a bit more crispy and the white is brighter on the 11 Pro, but besides that, I wouldn't say it's that much of a difference. One thing I did notice, I might lock them both real quick, is that the 11 Pro feels way thicker in your hand, even though you can notice it a bit that it's thicker. It's not that much, but you can definitely feel it. It has a different feel. Also the backside, it feels a bit more slippery in the hand with the matte finish on the back than the glossy one. Obviously you don't see fingerprints that good on the matte finish of the Space Gray. Space Gray is also, I would say it's not that dark than on the iPhone 10. You can see this here. Yeah, and this is probably the main difference between them both, is the camera. So you can see the camera, the triple camera on the iPhone 11 Pro and the dual camera setup on the iPhone 10. But besides that, maybe you can see that here a bit better. From the colors. So the iPhone 11 on the left and the 10 on the right. Don't know how good you will see that in the video, but you can trust me with this. The display of the 11 is definitely better. Besides that, what I also noticed when you have them on the table in front of you, you can see the iPhone. That's how the iPhone 10 sounds like, and I need to press way harder to do this with the iPhone 11. So it feels a bit more stable. That's probably also because it's a bit thicker. But besides that, I would say that's it for this first comparison. I will do a more in detail comparison, or I'm planning to do a more in detail comparison between those two. I've already done a comparison between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 10 cameras. So that should be the same, except of the telephoto lens on the 11 Pro now. But I would say that's it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Leave a like and hit the subscribe and bell button if you like what you've seen, and you get notifications about all my upcoming videos. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.